This is an introduction to the Automet Fab Pipework measurement system, which is designed to assist with all stages of pipe spool manufacturing. It can be used to perform surveys on-site for exact pipework replacement, during spool manufacture to assist with setup, and after spool manufacture to provide a quality assurance record. Using the system is very simple. First, you input the design for the pipe spool you want to survey, either by loading from an isometric file or by manually entering it into our auto-design system. Next, you connect Automet to a Leica total station survey instrument and point it at the spool. You then hold one of these devices against various points on the spool, and the software will record the exact location of these points. Finally, you run the analysis. This tells you exactly how the manufactured spool differs from the design you entered earlier. Once the spool has been manufactured, detailed reports can then be produced and kept for verification purposes. And there really isn't much more to it than that. Now, obviously this was just a very quick introduction, so click the link for a more in-depth overview of the complete process of replacing a section of pipework, or get in touch with us for a live demonstration. Thanks very much for watching.